Nicole and Blaine spinning like retards on the tilt-a-whirl looking spinny like thingies. Y'all look so gay right now. Whatever. Hi. Nicole's going faster than you, Blaine. Yes, she is. Go faster then. I hope y'all get dizzy and throw up. Mm-hmm. Am I going faster? No. She's still going faster. The world is like crazy. My feet are going like this. If you close your... Okay. My legs are cramping up. Alright, I think I got y'all's spins for today. Let's go.